So in the following of our Django tutorials series, we're going to continue with our classmates project. So in the last videos, we were talking about RESTful APIs, login, logout, sign up, and reset password. But before all of this, we were talking about the model classmates. And so here I'm going to get back to here. And here we're going to see how we can create a PDF from the data that we've got inside of our tables from our classmates members. So to only show you where I want to add this PDF download attachment link, I'm going to run this project on the server, on the local host, and show you where I'm going to add it, and then we're going to do the rest of the job. So here, let me on the console or your terminal, you can write cd ... and activate our virtual environment and the project that we had already created. And right here, I'm going to write source space dot /source. After that, we're going to write activate instead of source. So source activate, and so my project full virtual environment has been activated. And now let's cd back to my class, and there we go. Here we are, and you can run python manage.py run server, and here we go. So let's follow the link. And let's get to our URL, write our URL related to classmates over here. So this is where we're going to add. We're going to add PDF download attachment right here in order to get all of these data right here in this table of classmates instead of our PDF file. So it's going to automatically generate a PDF containing all of the table elements on this page. So no matter how many members we add, at that time we can automatically we are automatically able to generate a PDF and download it from right here on the nav bar. So first of all, what I'm going to do is to add that template right over there, add it to our templates right over there. So we need to, first of all, let's stop the server and also clear over here. And now here we're going to get into the templates folder, and we have add.html, we had index, we had, so let's find the home page, which I think was index.html. So let me find our list. Okay, here was our tables and there we go. This is our nav bar and our list items. So we have add classmates and also classmate, just the same as what we have here, home and the classmates, add classmates. So we're going to add another li tag over here, another li tag, and so a tag. So here we're going to write href equals to, and then we have the %, we have the URL, and then we have the name of the URL, which we're going to write upload PDF in our urls.py, upload just because it's only one, actually download PDF. So because it's only one download, so I'm going to write it just download. And so you have the % and close the bracket. There we go. So next thing we're going to do is to close the a tag. And now let's close the a tag right over here and write the name of our link. So download the table PDF, or in short we can say download the PDF. So there we go, we have our index.html completed, and also let's create our urls.py file and complete it. So here we're inside of our project folder. Let's get into our urls.py inside of our app folder, and here I'm going to add path. And so here is also, notice that we have the views.py, which we're going to address that. So I'm going to get to that, but first, for now, let's consider that we're going to download the PDF. So I'm going to name this download PDF, and there we go. So we also have this one, and then comma, and then views dot, and so we're going to create a function for downloading the PDF. So PDF download. So views.pdf download, and next step is to write the name of our URL. So name equals, also let me clean this code. Okay, and now we need to write the name. So what was the name inside of our index.html? So it was download, right? So let's get back to here and name this download. So also the name of our views.py is PDF download. So here instead of our views.py is where we're going to write our main code related to generating a PDF from that data that we've got, and also exporting or creating an attachment link for the user in order to download. So here we were, instead of index.html, it was download. Here instead of our urls.py, the name is download, and the link of that download is download PDF. So instead of our classmates. So this is also the name of our app, which is classmates. Okay, so let's get into our views.py, and here we're going to add a new function called PDF underline download, and here we have some attributes, actually one attribute, which is the request, and there we go. So here we need to first, instead of our virtual environment, we need to first download a library for PDF generation, right? So we need to install pip reinstall the report lab library, which is for PDF generation and working with the PDF. So let's also install that. So it's installing, and now we have our library installed, report lab version 3.6.12. So now we're going to import our library. So there are a number of libraries or actually sub-libraries that we're going to import. So first of all, let me clear our terminal. Here we go, it's now clean, and so here from report lab dot lib import colors, and also in the next line from report lab dot lib dot page size, we're going to import page sizes, actually import letter, which is related to a standard page, and so we're going to import these because we use them. We're going to use them, and also we're going to import from reportlab.platypus import duck so simple duck template is what we need for the PDF. Also what we need is table and table style. Also we need to import IO because we're going to use it for creating an attachment. So there we go. Let's start. So if there's any other extra libraries that we need to import, we will also let you know and import it right over here. So let's complete our function. So first of all, buffer, we need to define a buffer for using our IO. So IO bytes. So let's find it over here. Bytes IO actually. And there we go. So we need to import this library and also use it here because we're going to use it inside of our attachment function. And also PDF equals, and here I'm going to use simple doc template, which is a function. Simple doc template, which is a function, and here instead of the name that we're going to export it, we're going to use buffer. So right now we're not going to use that name. So here I'm going to use the buffer and also the page size. Page size equals to letter, which we have imported above. So in some cases they use page size with the small letters, but right now we can use with the capital letters too. So here, this is the beginning of creation of our PDF, but there are plenty of other codes that we need to write in order to complete it. So that's it for this part of the video. And the next video you're going to learn how to completely create this PDF and create the attachment link on your website.